लटवा न्यूज के स्टूडियो से नवीनतम अपडेट।
सिविल अस्पताल शिलोंग में ऑन्कोलॉजी विभाग के प्रमुख डॉक्टर अनीसा मौलोंग ने मेघालय में कैंसर विशेषज्ञों की कमी पर प्रकाश डाला, जहां केवल 2 सर्जिकल ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट है और मेडिकल ऑन्कोलॉजी में कोई नहीं है। सिविल अस्पताल शिलोंग में कैंसर विंग का प्रावधान एक विकिरण ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट द्वारा किया जाता है। डॉक्टर मौलोंग ने राज्य में कैंसर का पता लगाने की उच्च संभावना पर जोर दिया, विशेष रूप से एसोफेगल कैंसर और तंबाकू से संबंधित कैंसर, जो पुरुषों और महिलाओं की एक महत्वपूर्ण प्रतिशत को प्रभावित करते हैं। प्रयासों के बावजूद कैंसर की जांच के लिए आगे आने वाले लोगों की चिंताजनक कमी है, जिससे जल्द पता लगाने में बाधा आ रही है। सिविल अस्पताल शिलोंग में 90 बिस्तरों वाला कैंसर विंग अक्सर अपनी क्षमता से अधिक रोगियों को समायोजित करता है। सुविधाएं बढ़ाने के लिए सिंगल एनर्जी लीनियर एक्सेलेरेटर और कंप्यूटेड टोमोग्राफी स्टिमुलेटर जैसे नई मशीनें लगाए जाएंगे। हालांकि डॉक्टर मौलोंग ने इस बात पर जोर दिया कि प्रभावी प्रचार उन्नत उपकरणों की तुलना में चिकित्सा टीम की कौशल अधिक निर्भर करता है। सरकार ने राज्य भर में कैंसर की जांच के लिए जागरूकता बढ़ाने और कर्मचारियों को प्रशिक्षित करने के लिए मेघालय कैंसर रोकथाम और प्रारंभिक जांच मिशन शुरू किया है। इस कार्यक्रम का उद्देश्य मेघालय में कैंसर से निपटने के लिए जल्द पता लगाने और रोकथाम रणनीतियों की महत्वपूर्ण आवश्यकता को संबोधित करना है।
Cancer has always been something which has been close to my heart. I have lost a lot of friends and relatives to it, and most often I am told that it could have been averted. So therefore, cancer is indeed something that is close to my heart, and as a journalist, I feel that we also have our responsibility to spread that awareness and to get into the people's system of how it can be averted. And if by, God forbid, you're afflicted with it, there are measures and forms of treatment that can at least arrest, if not clear it, cure it.
In males, it is 1:5. So that's very big. And in females, it's 1:9. So it's very high. In fact, we lead, today mainly our topic was CA esophagus. We had discussed about cancer esophagus, where Meghalaya tops the country in cancer esophagus, which is the cancer of the food pipe. Now, and also, we have the highest number of tobacco-related cancer. Meghalaya tops the country in tobacco-related cancer, where in male we have 70.4%, and in female it is 46.5%. So that's how grim the situation of our state is with regards to cancer. I guess many of our patients who can afford and who can come down, you might be getting a lot of our patients coming for treatment there. So it's just not about the rural population, it's also the urban population also, which is catching up with this disease. And as also we know, hypertension and diabetes, they are also silent killers, but also cancer in our state is also a killer. So the state government we have set up the cancer wing in Civil Hospital Shillong. It is a 90-bedded facility, and we have only radiation oncologists actually managing the whole cancer setup in the state. We have no surgical oncologists, we have no medical oncologists. We hope in the near future our young doctors would take up this field, surgical oncology, medical oncology. So actually basically we're quite overburdened because we are also managing medical oncology for solid tumors, the radiation oncologists themselves. So, and with the caseload that we have, even having 90 beds, we still have patients on the floor. Like almost 30-40 patients are on the floor. So that's how bad, and that is just about patients coming forward for treatment. And we have 2 cancer hospitals in Shillong, both in Shillong. One is in Civil Hospital Shillong and one is in Negrins. Regarding the radiotherapy setup, of course, Hospital was the first hospital which had the radiotherapy setup, which was Cobalt 60, and that was established almost 18 to 20 years back. And recently, in the past 2-3 years, we've been trying to get new machines. And yes, I think many of my friends in the press have been repeatedly asking me, you've been saying your machines are coming, but then it's not happening. But yes, this year it's happening because the order has been placed. We're getting a linear accelerator, we're also getting a brachytherapy, a city simulator. So I hope this year it happens. And also Nigram's already has a linear accelerator and brachytherapy functioning. So we are treating patients with the cobalt therapy right now. But again, I would still stress on this, it is not about the machines that you have, it is the skills of the treating team, right, which is most important. We might have the best machines, but if the skills of the treating team is not up to the mark, nothing will change. And the government now has embarked on a journey for prevention and awareness, for early detection of cancer. And as we know that there are many programs happening in the state on a mission mode. You know, we had the maternal and infant mortality missions where we are trying to reduce the maternal and infant mortality in the state, which is also very high. Then we have lots of things. So even in cancer, we have developed a mission that is the Meghalaya Cancer Prevention and Early Detection Mission, which I had mentioned in the conference. And we are going to take this throughout the state, in all the districts. We're going to train our staffs to screen at least all the eligible population of the state for cancer. So, you know, I had just done a pilot.
लटवा न्यूज के स्टूडियो से नवीनतम अपडेट।